KashKick usually gets stuck on the loading screen because of cached app data, unstable network switching, or outdated app builds that fail to sync login sessions properly. By the end of this, you'll know the exact fixes that resolve the loading loop, what causes it in the first place, and what to check first so you don't waste time reinstalling the app repeatedly. Start with the most common cause. Most loading issues happen when the app's cached session data conflicts with a new login attempt. So the app keeps refreshing instead of opening. First fix is clearing app cache and data. On Android, this resets corrupted temporary files that can block the login screen from loading properly. After that, reopen the app and try logging in again. Second fix is checking your internet connection stability. KashKick can freeze on loading if your connection switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data during startup, because the session handshake gets interrupted. Locking to one stable network often resolves it immediately. Third fix is updating the app to the latest version. Older versions sometimes break when server-side changes happen, which causes infinite loading even if everything else is correct. Installing the newest version ensures compatibility with current backend systems. Fourth fix is disabling VPN or ad blocking services. These tools can interfere with tracking and verification systems that KashKick uses during login, and can cause the app to hang before fully loading. Fifth fix is restarting your device. A full restart clears background processes that might be holding outdated session tokens or blocking network requests. Now here's what actually matters when this problem keeps coming back. It usually means session data is not syncing properly between your device and the server. That's why simple fixes like cache clearing and network stabilization solve most cases. If none of these work, reinstalling the app forces a full reset of all local data and rebuilds the connection from scratch. Summary: KashKick loading issues are usually caused by corrupted cache, unstable network switching, outdated app versions, or VPN interference. Most fixes work by resetting session data and restoring stable connectivity. Clean data equals normal loading. Next step: start with cache clearing and a single network test before trying reinstall, since those two steps solve the majority of loading loops. Like and subscribe for more clear, no fluff fixes for apps that actually work when they stop glitching.